All ChatGPT Plus users just got a new feature. Now, this feature is a pretty big deal, as before we would have had to pay a GPT like AI PDF or Ask Your PDF to get the kind of value we're about to see in today's video. Let's learn how to start leveraging this feature in our workflows to expedite data access, and more specifically, when it comes to Google Drive and OneDrive. Let's jump into today's video. Welcome back, y'all. In this video, we're going to be checking out a new update that just got pushed to all ChatGPT Plus users. I think this is a pretty big deal, as a lot of my early stage videos when I started this channel had to do with PDF analysis and accessing external files such as Excel sheets and spreadsheets. Now we have the ability to do that natively within ChatGPT. On top of that, make sure to stick through to the end of this video, as I'm going to give you a free GPT that's going to actually make the whole process that I'm about to show even better. Let's jump in. To even start using this feature, all we're going to do is come down to this paperclip here. Before, this would just be local files found on our desktop, but now we can connect Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. If you are using a Microsoft 365 suite system, you will follow these steps, but simply choose the one that's most relevant to you. For us today, we're going to go ahead and connect our Google Drive. So I'm going to hit connect Google Drive. Once you choose your email, you're going to get prompted here to basically give ChatGPT access to your Google Drive. So keep in mind, if you have very data sensitive information within your Google Drive, clear it, or alternatively set up a second email that's just going to be meant for ChatGPT to access your files. Once we have clarified this, we're going to hit continue here. Here, we're going to be prompted with all the relevant files found within our Google Drive, and we're going to showcase using one of them in today's video. But here's one thing I want to show you real quick. Let's say you've connected Google Drive, you've been using your ChatGPT, but you reach a point where you're like, wait, you know what? I actually want to disconnect my Google Drive. Here's how you're going to do that. You're going to simply go to your profile on Google. You're going to come up here to security. In security, go to your connections to third-party apps and services, hit see all connections, search within the search bar here, ChatGPT, click it, and then all you have to do is press delete all connections you have with ChatGPT, and that's going to disconnect it. Now let's see how we can start using it. In today's video, we're going to be using some test data that I've used in the past, which is going to be an invoice paid PNG. We just got some relevant information here. Let's go ahead and read it and see if ChatGPT can find it within our Google Drive and actually analyze our data here. So I'm going to click the little paperclip, connect apps. Wait, no, app from Google Drive. I'm going to double click into test data here, invoice paid PNG, hit select. And there we go. We've uploaded it directly from our drive here. And let's ask a question. What is the total amount of this invoice? So this should really help you start streamlining some of your workflow rather than having to download it from Google Drive. Maybe part of your business, you have a lot of relevant files that you want that are Google spreadsheets you want to input into here. So I might do more videos on this in the future when it comes to analyzing spreadsheets using this feature and also using it for Google Docs. So check out, make sure to subscribe. I'll do some videos on that, as I know that is always highly requested. We could also do PDFs in this context, but as you see from this answer, it says 2,100. Click our image, 2,100. We've confirmed it can read the data. As I said before, in the beginning of the video, there'll be a little bit of a bonus here of how you can leverage this even better. Now let me show you. Scrolling back down, we're going to go ahead and check out the GPT store. Come in all the way down to research and analysis. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video to get access to this. We're going to simply click PDF Reader. You'll click the link down below. I'm going to click Start Chat, or alternatively, go to the GPT store, look up Research and Analysis. It's number 9, hit Start Chat. With this GPT, we can go ahead and do the exact same logic and add from our Google Drive. But what is great about this GPT is I've created it personally, and I have enhanced it so that we do analysis and formatting and data research way better than the traditional ChatGPT that we get access to on just a base level. So check out the PDF Reader if you're interested. It's in the description down below. If you feel like you learned something in today's video, make sure you like. It's completely free. I'm going to leave a video here at the end that showcases a comparison between the new model of GPT-4o and GPT-4. Let's actually see if it's better, and you can check that out. I'll see you in the next video. This playlist right here goes over a bunch of new updates that happened to ChatGPT in these last 2 weeks. You can check out like the first 4 or 5 videos. That's the video I was referencing when comparing GPT-4o and GPT-4. See if you like it. See if it's actually better. That's my face. I'll see you in the next video.